What's up, Wonders of London fans? This is Vincent from Wonders of London. Hope you're doing well and having a good day. And I'm currently in Golders Hill Park, which of course is part of Hampstead Heath. And if you like these kinds of videos, please hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing videos from all parts of London. And in the Golders Hill Park, we have a Stumpery, as you can see over here, and it is simply phenomenal. And it will be planted with native ferns, woodland plants, and will provide nesting and feeding sites for insects and birds, and conditions should just be about right for mosses, lichens and fungi to grow and create hidden spaces for small mammals such as hedgehogs. So we can be looking forward to hedgehogs. And Stumperies were first made popular in Victorian gardens and have once again become quite fashionable. The initial plan for this Stumpery was further inspired by a staff visit to Highgrove, where His Royal Highness the Prince of Wales created his own Stumpery and of course they're collecting contorted root balls from dead oaks, sweet chestnuts and yews, and generally using those that cannot stay in situ and would otherwise go to waste. And the dead hedge in the back area and other enhancements will provide complementary habitat and will make this corner of Golders Hill Park a haven for wildlife. And you can see how peaceful and relaxing it is just to walk around here. How fantastic is that? Just the relaxing calm of nature and peaceful beauty of the natural world and natural life. I hope you've enjoyed this little video, and of course if you have, please hit the like button, subscribe and join us for many more amazing videos from all over London, and sometimes from beyond London as well, for wonders outside London. Thank you so much. Do have a lovely rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, etc., wherever you are. Bye.